So how do we write simple and effective prompts when building your website using an AI like Modulify? When using an AI, the way you prompt is essential. A good prompt helps Modulify understand your project so it can create the perfect sitemaps, the layout, and tailored copy for each of the sections. So how do we write a good prompt? Is easy. Start with a quick company description. Tell us what you are, what you offer, and why it matters. Think of it like an elevator pitch. Short, sweet, and to the point. Define the main goal of your website. Are you trying to get more leads, sell a product, build a community? Whatever your goals are, just make it clear. And step number 3, add any keynotes or important details. Things like target audience, the tone of voice you want, any specific features you need. For example, here's a real-world prompt. Here we describe the company, write the website goals, and the key features. Pretty simple, right? And remember, when it comes to prompts, less is more. If you over-explain, the AI gets confused. So keep it clean and focused. In Modulify, you can prompt in 3 different places. 1 is a sitemap level to define the overall structure and style of the website. 2, focus on a single page with customized prompt. And 3, at the section level. This is to fine-tune the specific component, the copy, and its use. So, alright, now you're ready to craft powerful prompts to build your dream website. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the next video. In there, we dive into in-depth videos on how to do sitemaps, wireframes, and designs, even publishing your website. So stay tuned.